baby. Wow. Y'all, this is so bittersweet. My suite is completely empty, y'all. Completely empty. A lot of motherfucking money made up in here. Met a lot of amazing ass people up in here. Taught a lot of amazing ass people up in here. I just could not be more thankful and grateful. And to the next girl who gets my sweets, I just wish and pray that you make the most money ever and that you're very successful. Listen, this right here, this is a gym. This whole place is a gym. So you the shit if this is your sweets. If you're watching this and this is your sweets, listen, girl, you the shit, okay? You was the shit. All right, hey y'all, today is Thursday the 31st and I go sign my lease for my new suite today. I just got my hair done today. I will put her information right here and in the description box below. I was a hair model today actually, so I just been having really good luck ever since the spiritual new year on the 21st, and there's a new moon tomorrow and Chris Brown's song comes out tomorrow, so it's just been like good energy just flowing all around. It's just been good. I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you guys my new space, and yeah, so stay tuned. So if you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on anyone's content, period. Let's get into the video, shall we? IKEA looking for furniture for my lash place. I look like a bum today, but I have to grab a few things and then I'll show y'all what I get. All right, we're leaving Walmart. This is my mom, guys, and we just got paint. We have to go to another store to get more paint, and $10,000 later, I'm still not finished yet. And I still have to move everything, and I want to do it all in one day. And my mom says I'm crazy, but I think I can do it. Yeah. Let's get on. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Say smash that like button. Smash that like button. All right, so one more store, and I'll check back in with you guys later. Bye. I don't know which color to get.
I like that one.
The middle one?
That one or that one?
What do you think, that's too close to the dark color?
Yeah.
It's too close to the dark color? You don't like that other bright one at all? It's too purple? You don't like it? I think the middle one is the perfect color, honestly.
I like the middle one.
I think the middle color. Look at my face. Ooh, I look crusty. Her hair looks crazy. What about that?
Which one do you like, Kenzie?
I like.
Which one?
I like this one better.
In the middle?
Huh?
Okay. That's 3.
We all voted for this color in the middle.
I think that paint right there is the cheapest.
Which one? The Smart Coat?
The
Brushed aluminum?
Yeah. That I don't know what
That aisle?
section, that aisle.
I don't even remember where I got this. This one's Crayola color.
that middle one. Yeah, we'll go to mix it. They can make this color for me? Like exactly? Oh, okay. Alright, so they're gonna mix my paint, and then this is the last store, and then I gotta drop all the stuff off at my lash place, and then I have to tape and paint and move everything. And I have more furniture coming tonight, so I'll probably show you guys tomorrow what it looks like. Alright, I'm so tired. I didn't get to paint today, but I got all the paint and the supplies today for my suite, and I'm gonna paint tomorrow. So today is Sunday, and I'll be painting tomorrow, which is Monday, and I will show you guys what that looks like. And then I have more furniture coming Monday and Tuesday, so I'll keep you posted.